Hey guys, welcome back to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite all-time sweets, garijalu, or little pieces of flour. You're going to need wheat flour, all-purpose, and some water. This is what our dough will be made of, but the filling is great. We're going to have coconut and nut filling. Or dal, whatever you prefer. But you're going to simply turn it into dough and take small bits of it. But you're going to let it rest for 30 minutes so you can really get that feeling. Take some dry coconut powder and add a bunch of sugar. It's already pretty sweet, but a little more won't hurt. You're going to take your split dal and some sugar, obviously, and just blend it together. Everything needs sugar. It's going to turn into a really fine powder, and this is what we want. So add a little bit of milk in there, just a bit, so that it can come really together because we don't want it to become all powdery in there. So mix it well, and once your dough is ready, look how soft that is. Wow. Grab it and roll it out into a tiny little pancake. Do you love pancakes? I love them. They're delish. But this is not pancakes. So you're going to add a bit of your filling, coconut or nuts, whatever, and just close it up tight. You don't want any spaces. Now here's the tricky part. You're going to bend, flatten, and bend again. It's tough, but once you get it, it looks so cool. Look at that. It looks really good. And I don't think you want messed up food. But it is pretty simple once you get the hang of it. Now remember, we've got two fillings, so we can use a bit of each. And there's our dal. Add it in. Again, smooth. No air pockets. Air is only going to damage the food inside because we're going to fry this thing. So once again, do that folding method. It's tough, of course. And there you go, a bunch of these. Yum. I think these are coconut. Honestly, my favorite one is coconut. Yummy. Love it. So add a bunch of them in and fry. Of course, our all favorite color, golden brown. Wait until it turns the perfect crispy golden brown, or just golden, and then take them out. So there we go, take it all out. And now we're gonna add the next batch. But I don't want any crumbs, so take them all out. And I think these are nuts, so we're gonna add these in. Be careful with the hot oil. Add them in there, let them deep fry, and then eat them. And now we're just watching for our color to arrive. And here it comes. There we go. Once it's there, just remove them from the oil and enjoy. Super sweet, super delicious, really yummy. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy my favorite sweet. Hope it's going to be your favorite too. Bye!